Ooh.
Lisa, can you put your phone on mute for us, please, until we get started?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, just put, there you go. Okay. The 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Tenisha Yancey. While in court, while court is in session, there will be no driving, no talking, no sleeping, no laying down, no wearing of head garments unless it's for religious purposes only. There will be no eating and no reading. Please make sure that you are properly dressed as well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, and good morning to you on Zoom as well. Again, my name is Judge Tenisha Yancey. Counselor, are we ready to proceed on both the Bochart and Barton matters?
Yes, we are.
I am going to call, am I pronouncing it correctly, Bochart?
She'll have to say it, Judge. I just call her Miss McKenzie.
Mackenzie Borchard, yes.
Okay.
Borget. All right, now I'm calling the People versus Mackenzie Borget. Ticket number P1288321. One count of leave the scene of an accident with property damage. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant, P77169. Ma'am, state your full name for the record.
Mackenzie Borchard.
Your Honor, today's date and time scheduled for trial. The officer did appear. The officer did sign in. It's my understanding after communicating with the prosecutor that this matter is being dismissed. That's my understanding.
For no officer recollection.
The prosecutor didn't tell me the full reason, but we believe this is a matter of identity theft. And so it's my understanding that that's why they agreed to the dismissal.
Okay, that coincides with the officer not being able to recall or identify Ms. Bochart. So therefore, the court will dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Bochart, it just means that the county or that the people can bring this matter back if they so choose. But considering the circumstances, that probably would not happen, so that your matter is dismissed.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Thank you, ma'am.
You're free to go.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Right, 93 here today. Now calling the People versus Lisa Lynn Barton, ticket number P792826. One count of drove while license not valid. One moment, please.
You need to step up. She has 3. Oh. I'm sorry, I didn't give you that. It's 3.
Okay. All right. Now calling the People versus Lisa Lynn Barton, ticket number P792826. One count of drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P898326. One count of driving while license suspended. And ticket number P995275. One count of drove while license not valid or improper license. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your full name for the record.
Lisa Lynn Barton.
Your Honor, there should be a recommendation. My client will be pleading to an amended count of failure to display, and the other two charges will be dismissed.
Pleading to one failure to display and the other two driving while suspended will be dismissed.
Yes, that's the communication I received from the prosecutor.
Okay. And then, is your client aware, or were you even aware that there is one speeding ticket that is already in default?
Yes. And she'll just have to pay it. The prosecutor was not willing to take it out of default. To set that he wasn't.
Ms. Barton, you had an opportunity to talk to Attorney Griffin and he explained your rights
Yes,
and you understood those rights?
yes,
Did anyone promise you anything, force you, or threaten you to take this plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
yes, ma'am.
And you're pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm turning your attention to September 8, 2018, where you driving a 2007 silver Chevy in the area of Albany and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit.
Yes, I was.
And you did something that made you come in contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes, ma'am.
And when they asked you to produce a valid driver's license, were you able to do so?
No,
Satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Judge.
And stipulates probable cause on the dismissals?
Defendant so stipulates.
Is there an officer here on this matter?
All three officers were here, according to Attorney Goss, Your Honor. There may be one that's still here, but all
He's
three.
in the main session.
Corporal Hayward,
Yes, it's Corporal Hayward.
would you like to place your name on the record?
Yes, Corporal Hayward, badge 1004, Detroit Police Department.
And do you have any objections, Corporal, to the dismissals?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now, Ms. Burton, have you been able to obtain your driver's license yet? What's going on with your driver's license?
I have been going to all my court cases. I have been paying off all of my fines. And I'm qualified to get my license back in about 8 or 9 months.
Okay,
I have been working double time to try and fix this, and I have been, like I said, I've been working really, really hard to make it right. This is my last court appearance, and I will pay my fines off.
okay, because the more you do it, the more fines you have, the further behind you get. And so in an effort to avoid getting further in the hole and less likely to be able to obtain your license, my suggestion is for you to take an Uber or bus or something in the meantime until you actually get your driver's license. You cannot continue to drive without a driver's license.
That's what I've been doing. I actually have a 30-day bus pass that I pay in advance for, but I also have a Hoover and a Lyft account.
Okay,
So I'm on a mission here. I'm determined to fix what's broke.
okay, so the court is going to enter a guilty plea on your behalf for the failure to display on ticket number ending in 8326. That's 8326 ticket number. We will reduce the amended charge. We'll enter an amended plea to failure to display on that one and dismiss the rest. You are aware that you're still responsible for the 16 to 20 miles per hour over the default, the ticket that's in default. And for this matter, we're gonna assess a fee of $220.
Well, Your Honor, I posted a $600 bond. Can I apply that money today to pay these off?
You can, but probably not today. It'll probably take at least 24 to 48 hours before the ticket gets before my decision makes it to the system for you to be able to call the clerk, the cashier's office to apply that bond to the ticket.
So hold on, I have to call for that, or they will automatically do that?
They won't automatically do it. You need to call them.
Okay, can I have a phone number for that?
Oh, can you go to 36districtcourt.org? Wait one moment. Let me see if I can.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
Or you could just come down too, man.
You
I can
you
just
could
come down
also,
there.
you could also come in person, but, the phone, you could contact the cashier's office at 36districtcourt.org. We'll have the phone number listed there, because I don't have it readily available.
I actually, my son will be off work tomorrow. I'll just come down there and take care of it.
Yeah, it'll be
And that way
faster.
I know it's taken care of.
Okay. All right, so that's the $220. If it's not paid, ma'am, in within the next, I'm gonna, only because I'm not quite sure what happens down there, I'm gonna give this matter until April 4th for you to pay it. If you don't pay it by April 4th, then I expect you to appear back on this Zoom in this courtroom on that date at 8:35 a.m.
Oh, no, either way, I'll pay it tomorrow, either way.
And I'm gonna change that date to April 11th. But
Okay,
it is no problem, if you do pay it before April 11th, then you can ignore the court date. But if you know that if you know by April 11th that you haven't paid the ticket, you need to appear, or there's gonna be another warrant out.
no, I'm gonna take care of it tomorrow. My son
Okay,
will be
no,
home, I promise you it will be.
Martin,
Okay.
saying you have more time, that's all. You can pay it early.
I know, and I appreciate that, but.
No,
just-
she said, I'm saying it's okay. So just pay it as soon as you can. But
Okay,
That's your matter, you have a good day.
thank you. Am I all done?
yes,
You're done.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay, well, thank you.
okay. Should we take about 5 more minutes to finish up with everybody?
Couldn't hear, I'm sorry. Can you say it again?
Yeah, I said it should take me only about 5 more minutes to finish up with everyone else.
Okay,
Should only be 2 people left.
okay.
To let you all know, I've tried to contact Destiny Brown 3 times, and I'm writing down each time I go into the breakout room, but she hasn't responded. So,
Thank you.
Thank you. Corporal Haywood, you're free to go.
Yeah, I'm having some technical difficulties here trying
Oh,
to
we'll
sign
remove
off.
you. I'll remove you. Have a good day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Much lighter day today, huh?
Absolutely. Good morning.
Yeah, so how you doing this morning?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good, I was able to catch up on the rest from that little hour we lost over the weekend. Yesterday was kind of rough.
Oh, I forgot about that hour. Yesterday was rough on us anyway.
Right.
Yeah, it was, but you forgot? Are you serious? Oh my goodness.
I did.
I could tell
I
the
did.
difference. I can always feel it when we move forward. I enjoy going back an hour much
I
better.
can't wait till the state gets rid of that. It's so pointless.
I think the one of the main concerns is about kids that have to go to school in the morning and it being dark for too long for them,
Mm.
something like that. So that's kind of where the argument gets kind of tied up in that
Oh.
regard. Yeah, because it affects the school year for students.
Got it.
Mhm.
Definitely want to keep them as safe as possible.
Yeah.
Yeah, we only have 3 people left in the meeting. In the breakup.
Oh, pre-trial. Trial, I don't know.
It's right here. I did. You ain't see your list. I wrote it.
You didn't do it?
I did. I put it on there for this week.
Oh.
I tried to type one up every week.
Okay, for the whole week. Yeah, they were doing it by the day, so
I do worse for the week. It helps out.
got it.
So yeah, I try to.
I crossed out yesterday, so I don't get confused.
If you want it by the day, I can give it to you.
Okay. I need to feel like to be a busy person. I sure did. Sure
He was
did.
like, yeah, I don't need this.
Every day, it's just a habit, like every day is what they give me for that day.
Mhm.
I kind of want to put it here. 'Cause it's so cute.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. If I have to remind you, it's okay.
Try this one. Yeah. you can see. Okay. Now tape, what kind of tape will come off of the glass?
Unless you just gonna put it all the way up there. Oh, you got it down.
I got it to where you can see it.
You just gonna have to lift it up like this when you get ready to take it up.
Okay.
Oh, take two? No, because I got this one.
That's way too much. I think I got, wait, let me see. Do you have a new one?
I don't, this one was already in the drawer.
Oh, well, this one is my new.
That might be because this one looks old.
I just had it. You know, this tape would come off. When I pull it off, it's gonna come off with it.
Not a big deal, you just lift it up and you don't put it away.
Mr. Brooks, did the attorney put you back into this room?
No, I'm trying to leave the thing. No, he
Trying
just,
to- He gave you a new date?
yes, he gave me a new date.
Okay, I'll remove you. I will see you on that day.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye. Good morning, Ms. Burton.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm
You hired
amazing.
an attorney for today?
Yeah, I do. So he wasn't able to make it. He had an emergency. He wanted to see if there was some way that we could set up another pretrial. If we can make a deal for today, or if I could pay some type of ticket for today.
What's your attorney's name?
John Monsieur.
Okay, give me 1 second. Let me look at your file.
I sent you an email because I did.
And he wanted, wait.
Oh.
The problem is that we have a plea offer here, but someone has to advise you of your rights, and I'm unable to do that. I can tell you what the offer is,
Okay.
and I believe you were here on March 14th. No, today is March 14th. I'm so sorry. So the offer is written from today, and it is to do a 12-month delayed sentence on count 2, which is your disorderly conduct, which means that after 12 months, it'll be dismissed if you don't get into any further trouble, and count 1 will be dismissed as well. So you would end up with nothing.
Oh, okay.
So, but again, I still have to have an attorney advise you of your right.
Okay.
And while we have an attorney, we have a court appointed as counsel here, right? But I don't know what that means for your retained counsel. Let me find out from the House counsel how, if and how he wants to proceed in this matter. Did you
Okay.
want to do it today?
Did
Or
I
do you want to, or did you want to adjourn it for a date that your attorney is available?
I wanted to adjourn it for a date that my attorney was available, if possible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did he give you dates that he would be available? He should have contacted the court.
No, he didn't. But if there is a specific date that you all have,
My next date was April 11th.
April 11th.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You want to do that?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right. And tell him next time he needs to contact the court and or do an adjournment, a motion to adjourn.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
no.
So we're gonna adjourn your matter to April 11th at 8:35 a.m. We'll see you then.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good day.
You too.
Because we don't have an afternoon. That'll probably be the later day. Okay. We gave her April 11th, right? Okay. No, I was talking to the judge. Okay, thank you.
Judge, I have a question when you're able.
I'm here.
Okay, so I have the paperwork from the defendant. Does the court accept the paperwork too, or do I need to get the recommendation from the prosecutor?
I'll accept it if it's valid. It's valid docs for what?
For Mr.
For what offense though? Is it an insurance? Is it registration, or is it driver's license?
Oh, no, not driver's license. It's a registration, show me proof of registration and proof of insurance.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay. And I just,
Actually, I will trust you to verify it.
okay. Yeah, I'm looking at it now. Just want to be sure.
And you couldn't get in contact with Destiny, I take it, right?
Nope. Contacted her at 10:20, 10:44, and 11:04.
Well, she's gonna be calling us, telling us that she was in that she was in a breakout room for 3 hours and nobody ever came for her.
She got the camera looking up at the ceiling, and that's about it. So,
As a matter of fact, I'm getting ready to have her move into this room and see what happens.
we can move.
And she has an offer in her too.
Are we ready? Oh, you ready to proceed on Blankenship then?
Yes.
Did we add him to the count? Or did we add?
We did not. That was, yeah, I'm gonna fix it when I put the entries in.
Okay.
I'm actually doing the entries from yesterday now.
Okay. Are you moving Mr. Blankenship or do you want me to?
I just
need
He's right here. He's out.
Oh, great.
You closed the break.
I didn't close it.
Oh, you didn't?
Mhm.
Did you want me to close it?
But I do, yeah.
Might as
Yeah,
well.
I
That's
do.
the last one.
That way definitely can't say. Good morning, Mr. Blankenship.
Good morning.
Right, now calling the people versus Leon Blankenship, ticket number P 1390045. One count of driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count of no insurance misdemeanor. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Leon Blankenship.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that Mr. Blankenship was on the docket for yesterday, but he's here today. And it's my understanding also that his charges, as he told me, were a no insurance ticket and a registration ticket.
That is correct.
So he did provide proof of insurance. It's with Liberty Mutual and it expires September of 2023. And I'm just going to put the vehicle number on the record. I mean, the last 4 digits, 2154. That's the vehicle number that he gave me.
Can you tell me the type of make and model of the vehicle?
The make is a Buick, the model is a Regal.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, and then the registration, the 2011 Buick, vehicle number ending in 2154. And this registration expires August of 2023. So
Okay.
we would respectfully motion the court to consider a dismissal for these charges for compliance and valid documentation.
All right, so the court acknowledges that an officer of the court has verified that the documents for this vehicle in question are now valid for both the registration and the no insurance. Therefore, counts 1 and 2 will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Blankenship, make sure that you're keeping those documents in the vehicle with you at all times so that you're not here with me in the future.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Ms. Brown, Destiny Brown.
Yes,
Destiny
I'm here.
All right, ma'am.
Ms. Brown, where have you been?
In the break room.
Yeah, but we've come in the breakout room several times to get you, to talk to you, and you haven't responded.
Oh, it never told me that. It just said I was in the break room. I've been in there since 8:30, probably 8:45.
So when you never heard anyone say your name when?
No, when it just popped up, it said that I was being automatically coming back into the courtroom.
So I've closed the breakout rooms to force you into the courtroom because you weren't responding. And so now you don't have a breakout room to talk to your attorney in private. Mr. Griffin, so you haven't even invited her, right?
No. And Ms. Brown, I can, we got another breakout room. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Here real quick right now, Your Honor.
She's in room 16.
And tell her, I think she was going down too. Here we go.
Okay. Man, I gotta go check my blood sugar now. Like this is a day. You're muted, Judge.
Oh, it shouldn't have been that bad.
No, it wasn't too bad.
If you were here yesterday, you would appreciate today.
No, I do. I appreciate today just hearing about yesterday. I'm not
Oh my goodness.
Hey, oh hey, Madam Court Reporter, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Doing well. It's good to see you. Usually I
Yeah,
can't
you
see the
too.
court
It's
reporter.
good to
So,
know.
yeah, it's good to see you.
Thank you.
So now I guess I'm ready to tell you all the names. Is that what it is?
What are
What are
we
we
finished
doing
with
with Miss
Destiny?
Destiny?
Oh, she's gone. She's scheduled for trial.
Okay. I'll remove her. Okay, I removed her.
Yeah, she's scheduled for trial. But I told her take nap a little bit earlier because I think that's what happened. I told her that.
I
think that's what happened. I think she fell asleep.
That's what I told Latifah. I'm like, she was laying